Hello. Today we want to look at the life of a parent of a virtual student from a parent's perspective. You see in this picture that there is a mom multitasking. She has her daughter on her lap and she's working on her laptop and she's on the phone all at the same time, and somehow in the midst of all this she still has a smile on her face, and that is our goal for you as well. That while being a parent of a virtual student, that throughout the process you will continue to have a smile on your face. So we're going to quickly give you some tips for success to help you as you navigate your role as a parent in a virtual academy. So steps to helping your student find success. Number one, help your student manage their time. Help them understand how to advocate for him or herself in terms of asking questions. Reinforce basic academic skills. Remind your student to check their email every day and always to have an open mind. In terms of some time requirements, at the middle school level, it is good to make sure that your student is logging on for 5 hours per day, 25 hours per week. Oversee their coursework. Just make sure they're completing their coursework. Help them learn how to form and ask questions in the virtual office. Assist them with the lessons, especially understanding the directions, and monitor their internet use. Again, just a pleasant reminder. Please do not actually help them do the work, but help them understand the directions related to their work. At the high school level, they should be working a little bit longer, about 5.5 hours per day, 27.5 hours per week. Again, help them oversee their coursework completion. Trust but verify. Double check and look to make sure they're actually completing their work. Communicate regularly with their teachers, and again, monitor the internet usage of the student. In terms of the virtual office is the best way to receive help. It's open Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., and on Fridays from 8 until 4. There will always be a teacher from each subject or content area in the virtual office at all times. It's the quickest and easiest way to receive help from the teachers, and the students can take a screenshot of whatever they are working on, their assignment, their problem, their question, and you can help them post that directly into the VO to receive the help that they need. As a parent, it makes for a successful experience for all when you help your child do the following. Log in for at least 5 hours a day. Make sure they're completing their assignments. Make sure your student has access to high-speed internet. Help your student ask questions when they need help, and help your student take care of their laptop. As a parent, please remember to check your email daily, check your child's progress, and attend any parent meetings that may be held. Our recommendation again is that your student be logged on for 5.5 hours a day, 27.5 hours per week. This ends up being approximately 1 hour per day per course. A gentle reminder that all parents have a mandatory parent orientation, so please make sure you participate in that. And as a partnership, we are here to support you. So we want to help you to team together to place your child in a position where success will be achieved. This is a partnership between the home, the school, in order to make sure that your student has the best environment possible. So we wish you well in this upcoming school year.